How to create an account on CoinMarketCap. Let's go ahead and start the video. First of all, open the app CoinMarketCap on your device, then click on the profile icon on the top right hand side. You can find login and sign up. If you already have an account, just go ahead and hit the login button, or else just go ahead and click on sign up if you want to create an account. There are various ways you can create an account. The first way is using your email address and giving yourself a password. The more steps are by logging into your Google, Apple, or your wallet account. So the easiest way is to log into your Google account. You can as well log in with Apple and wallet if you want, but let me just go ahead and tap on continue with Google. As soon as I tap continue with Google, it will take some time. It will now access the Google account, and you can just go ahead and click on one of your Google accounts which you use on a daily basis. After you click on your Google account, your account will immediately be created, and as you can see, you have created yourself a brand new account. So guys, this is how easy it is to create your account on CoinMarketCap. I hope this video was helpful for you. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more.